welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Monique and welcome to Monique's Life. So today I'm actually going to do a hair tutorial for you guys. Last week I did a whole photo shoot. I embraced my curls and I embraced my natural hair because I recently started to, love my hair more than I used to because I damaged my hair really badly when I was younger. So it took me a lot of steps and a lot of years to gain back the hair that I had once used to have. So, this is all me. I grew this out. And I'm gonna come out with a video showing you the hair products that I use for my hair. But basically this whole video is just showing you guys how I achieve that look in that photo. The big afro, how I achieved that look today. So I came home from work and I'm just like, let me just record a video and just show it because I need to do my hair anyways. So what I usually do is that I curl it the first day of the week and then it just gets like this. You can tell it needs a little bit of repairs. The front is awesome, but the back, turn around and show you, it's screaming for help. So today I'm gonna show you how I literally just curl it. Just curl it and make it curly and pretty. And I'm gonna show you two different ways that you can style this, but I'm gonna show you how I curl it basically. So I'm probably gonna change into another outfit, just, so it can be easier. And so I'm basically gonna show you guys how I wet my hair, and then I'll show you the process of how I curl my hair after. So travel with me in these next clips and I'll show you the whole process. Back, and as you can see, my hair is now wet. Make sure you get it as wet as possible. And as you can see with the residue that I have from the gel, it leaves a little brown stuff, but you're fine because you're curling that again anyways. All this guck out my head. My pants are literally dirty. That's why I changed my outfit, because no one's about to get my white nice jean jacket dirty. Sorry, not I. So guys, we're gonna get my big container of Eco, and personally for me, I like to curl my hair with Eco. But people might disagree with me, but I like Cantu and everything, but I feel like Eco, it doesn't shrink my curls as much. It I'm not gonna use that word. Eco doesn't shrink my hair as much, so that's really why I use it, because Eco doesn't shrink my hair. So I find it more easier, and Eco gives it a more curl definition, in my opinion, again. So this is all my opinion in this video, but I would personally recommend Eco for my hair. I always curl my hair with Eco. That's why my curls stay long and they look more defined every single time. So again, that's the word I was looking for. I like how Eco defines my curls. That's why I use it. So I don't really part my hair, because this is the form that I want it to go in anyways. I literally get a piece of hair. Let me try to go really close. I literally get a piece of hair and I literally just start twisting. Twist, twist, twist. If you guys hear my mom laughing in this video, I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh. My mom has quite a laugh. So literally that's how I'm defining them. just really do that throughout your whole hair, your whole head top. Just define your curls. So again, I don't really do this in sections because I just feel like whatever, just do it. But if you want to part your hair in 4 and like section it and then do it, then you can do that. That works just the same way. Or you can part your hair in the middle and do it. But personally, for me, I just like doing it like this because my hair is going like this anyway. So I find it easier for me. So again. So what you're really doing is getting it on your hand and just putting it all over your hair. And again, I love how Eco defines it. Like, I find it very pretty. And I will do a video trying Cantu on my hair as well. But for now, we're gonna show you, well for now, why am I talking like that? It's like I can't even get the proper words together. Right now, I'm just gonna show you how I use Eco first. So yeah, again, as the top of my hair is already pretty curly, so it's just defining the back. And again, this lasts me for like 4 days or 3 days, depends. And personally for me, I like wearing my hair out in the summer because again, my hair gets sunlight and also it's just easier because everything's on top of my head instead of on my shoulders. And then again, as I started embracing my hair more, I felt like wearing my hair out, you know, felt better to me. It's more of who I am as a person. Like when you know Monique, you're like, oh my god, she has the biggest hair ever. So it's like, so on the next side, and then we're gonna just define it too. I don't know, I kind of enjoy it after a while because it's just like cool, it's pretty too. But my hands do get tired. Doing my hair is a whole workout in itself, like. And then sometimes if I feel lazy, I literally just rake my fingers through my hair and just pull. Instead of like twisting it. I hate when it drops in my pants. Like what? Okay. Keep going through here. And twisting and twisting and twisting and twisting. Oh. The Eco defines my curls. Eco is the secret ingredient, guys. And then you have hair on your hand, but that's okay. You just take it off and put it down. Can you get off my finger, please? Okay. Yeah, so again, this is how I do it. I use many things to curl my hair, but if I don't have those supplies, I stick to Eco. And because I've been sticking to Eco this whole week, that's what I'm gonna use. But since I bought some new curling hair products like Cantu and stuff like that, I'll start using those in my hair as well. And again, I'll make another video showing you guys how I use Cantu to define my curls as well. And again, we're just going through my whole hair, curling as much sections as we can. As you can see, this is what we have so far. my finished look. They always come out different, but I feel like this one, because I already curled it like earlier in the week, it's kind of like still like, you know, still curly, and I feel like it's not the best one that I did yet, but this one is okay, I could say. Just recurled it just to show you guys really the simple thing that I did for my photo shoot, and how I got my hair to be like this. Literally just eco water, and you're just curling to achieve this big look on your hair. I literally just let it dry, and yeah, dry by itself. So that's literally what we have here. I find it cute. I think it's a cute style, you know, it's good to just wear out. So there we have it. The simple look. Curly fro. And you can also get your pick. And with this, you're just gonna like, you know, push your hair up, pull out the curls, anything that's loose, just, you know, make sure everything is equally divided. Kind of shake your hair, you know, make the drying process a little quicker. So that's literally it. I didn't like start from the root and then twist it. I mostly did it from the ends because, like, you know, since I want to achieve my big curly puff, I do it at the ends to achieve that look more. And I use Eco mostly, again, as I said. So it's about just letting your hair air dry and picking it out. So literally this is the first look that you can do with it. Just style it, flip your hair. You can do one side. I kind of like flipping it to this side better. You flip it to this side. Ooh, this side is nice too. It can go on. So yeah, your hair is cute. And then you can also add edges underneath if you want to. My edges are like this because edge control is already on them. So like, edge control. So like, oh my gosh. Okay. It's literally be like this. We're always doing edges in every single video I do. Oh my gosh, Monique. So you can do like that. And have your hair like, you know, flipping like, check out my edges. Like you're walking, you're just like, you see my edges there? Yeah, anyways, like a cute little kind of style. I'm gonna show you the second style that I do as well. Any hairband that you have, you're gonna put it over your head. Every time I do this, my cousin is always laughing. Like, she's literally laughing. She's like, Monique, every time you do that, your face looks funny. I'm like, okay. So what I'm gonna do is fast forward this and show you like when I get it on my forehead. Okay, and now when you place the headband over your head, you're literally gonna pull it up in the back and then grab your bobby pin so you can secure it. Show you the bobby pin. Secure it on the back of your headband. You see my headband? And I'm literally gonna push up my hairband and make it like this. So this is the second look. What you're gonna do is just pick your hair out. And now it's even more curlier than it was in the first clip that I talked to you guys in. And then you're gonna get your edge control. And this is the 24-hour edge tamer edge control. It's very good, trust me. You're just gonna put this there. You're gonna put some here. And then you're gonna get your brush and do those magical edges that I always do. That. Again, I feel like this side is always my trouble side. Like, it doesn't like me. I'm gonna swoop that up. And then what you can do after you're done is get your headscarf and just tie your hair. Put But since this is really quick, I'm not gonna do that here. So again, make sure you check it out. Fluff all the sides of your hair. I feel like it's just so cute and like so suitable for the summer. Just a nice little cute look. Flatten it out, make it bigger in the back. I find it just like really nice. And it's very light on my hair too. And again, I leave this in for like a week and then I redo it every single week. So I find it so easy in the mornings to just wake up, fluff my hair out, do edges, and get out the house. And then to complete your final look, you're gonna get your favorite glasses, you know what I'm talking about, and just flex with it. Okay, so anyways, you're gonna smile. This is your look, flourishing in your hair. This is your look with your curls popping. You already know what it is. And I smile for the camera. Hopefully I get a thumbnail in this. Anyways, thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how I got my hair like this. In my next video, I'm gonna try with Cantu. So I'm gonna try curling my hair with Cantu as well. But for now, I just showed you how I curled it with Eco. This is my favorite gel in the whole entire world. Note that please in your notepad. So anyways, thanks for watching again. Subscribe, like for more videos, and stay tuned for more. I'm Monique, and remember to always smile. Bye!